Buongiorno, this is Beppe from Il Trullo. We have another fantastic recipe today. Is handmade focaccia. Ingredient: flour, semolina, potato, sugar, salt, black olives, oregano, cherry tomato, extra virgin olive oil, dry yeast and water. First steps, I add half cup of warm water in the yeast, and after that I mash the potato, and now we are ready to add all ingredients: flour, semolina. Okay, we just mix all these ingredients first all together. Okay. That. Now we can add the salt and the sugar. We mix. Now we are ready to add the yeast. Okay. 2 spoon of extra virgin olive oil. Okay. And we start to mix with the warm water. Okay. Make sure all the flour they are stick together. Okay, slowly you put water inside. If you have a KitchenAid, you can do with that, because it will be much more easy. After we mix all the ingredients, we have a nice consistency of dough. We just re-put the dough in the same bowl and add some olive oil. This one the dough doesn't stick. We cover. Okay. Cover all the dough. We put a nice cloth on the top for warmer up the dough, and we leave this for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dough is ready. You can see it's like a double dough, nice and soft. What do we do on the pan? It can be round or rectangular pan. We add some olive oil, nice amount, good amount olive oil. With hands, just put olive oil everywhere, on the bottom as well here, around. Like that. Okay. We take the dough. Look at the dough is nice and soft. We can put the dough on the pan. Okay. Make sure you put all the dough nice, and with your hands you just press that. Okay, now we can add the cherry tomato I like cherry tomato. This is my recipe, but if you don't like to put cherry tomato, it's fine. You know, you can put regular tomato as well, you know, but I like cherry tomato myself. We add some cherry tomato, like this way. Black olives, I like black olives. You can add as well green olives if you like. You can have with onions as well. You can slice some onions. You can put onions as well if you like. Put some nice and black olives around. Oregano. Okay. Good amount on olive oil on the top. Like that. Making sure the olive oil is everywhere. Okay. And salt. Okay. We cover again and we give another 15 minutes more. After 15 minutes, focaccia is ready to bake. 450 for 20 minutes. There you go. See you soon. After 20 minutes, focaccia is ready. Okay, there you go. Nice and soft. I suggest when you took off from the oven, just take a cloth, put on the top. This way it stays always soft and it doesn't dry. I want to just say thank you to everybody and hi to my customer, staff, family and friends. You can follow me on YouTube, subscribe, click the bell and like my video, and see you soon from Beppe. Ciao!